Jagudev, everyone. This morning I was meditating about security, feeling secure. And I was experiencing being secured in the movement. What does that mean? You know, when you are on a spiritual path, sometimes you feel that everything is going, accelerating, and that you have to let go on many things one by one. And here, this concept of being centered, being feeling secured, comes because usually we cannot let go on many things, and we go step by step, and we hold on to people, to things. And the best way to really feel always in bliss and of course detached is to let go the things one by one. And that when you feel that everything is moving fast around you or in you, and you know that you cannot really be sure or something, because mind wants to be sure of things. Our mind wants to plan and doesn't want the plan to be changed. And when some change is coming from life or from other circumstances and situations and people who are changing our plans, at those moments we have to be very centered, very peaceful, and come back to meditation space, come back to our breathing, let go, let go, let go. Of course, it is easy to say. We can think that it's more difficult to do, but it's possible. And if you practice this every day, you will see that when big challenges will come in your life, like, an unexpected death, or unexpected, negative situation, if you practice this, letting go, and do not resist and do not hold to anything, you will see that the peace and love and positivity you will feel in you are really beyond words when you can really do that. When the wind is strong, when the storm is strong, when you feel that everything is like, going in an unexpected way, be centered, come back to yourself, breathe, relax, inhale, exhale, let go, and find this source of happiness inside. You can also remember a joyful incident, and remember to trust the divine. Trust the divine inside you, outside you. It is very, very important. And again, as I was repeating in the previous audio, belonging somewhere is very important in those moments. Because even in our worst, moments, we lose trust, and we lose trust in the people very, very close to us, who are very, very close to us, like, our spiritual guide, our master. You can lose, you can just suddenly feel that you cannot hang to anything, because of course the master is there to remove all the things to which you hang and you attach yourself. So practice this surrendering, actually. In the highest form, this process brings you to a constant surrender, letting the universe do the things through you, letting life guide you. I wish you a wonderful process. And now we will finish by a silent meditation. Inhale, exhale. and let go. And continue to be in silence as much as you can. And then, when you finished this silence meditative process, you can come back to yourself, breathing deeply, strongly, and listening to the sound of your breath. I wish you a wonderful day and stay tuned for the next episodes. Jai Gurudev!